Hello guys, my name is Sohit Khan and today we'll be discuss about my techispot project. This is my college project. So I think I know that I will show you my I discuss about my all subscribers. I will implement in my college project first my because this project is made by my whole class project. It involve my whole class and all contribute itself. And I will explain my all also. What can I will implement in my project. So first I will show you that. First of all, I will show you my project output, and then I will show you my code. So hello guys, my name is Toit Khan, and today I will discuss about my project. So this is the output of my project. This is in which my implement my component and all community sessions, and my whole team. It will be interact with its project and give its efforts in which my project. And this is a class project, so it will be not necessary to show the YouTube, but I will show you that in which we will implement a tech news is tech memes or my projects tech projects, and in which will be also sign up forms will be implemented. Sign This is sign up form and this sign in form. So what can we will be implemented, and how can we show it? It will be not completed. This whole project, it will be to complete it will be take a more time, and it in which will be not use backend. It will be implement by only the front end, which will be implement only the React, in which will be incompleted by because the in which will be not implement a backend. So I will show you the out code of my this project code. So this is my code of my project. So first of all, to implement my project, first of all, we will using made by this project is the React, and in which will be React, we will be implement first of all the my routing will be implement because the this routing method will be implement because the my user interact with each other, and then will be move this will be not refresh my whole page. It will be refreshing all the specific path. It will be when we want which we want. So it will be not refresh whole page. It's refresh only that particular path. What can we I will see that. So in this index, we will be implement my API, import my API component also, and browser router and router DOM and route, and will be implement by the root in which router in which implement the app. Then will be move my app.js. This is the main component of my project, entrance of my project app.js. So in which will be implement my first of all import my all the files of my home news memes and project note sign up form, sign in form, and errors, and this basic rejection or internet reaction and advanced reaction. This will be implemented today, so I will uh, show you that what is this. So in which will be implement my profile. This is my work in which will be implement. So in which will router I will give all the in which router specific path, and that home when will be clicked in that home button, when will be my router is move my next page. It will be not refreshing my whole page. It's only refreshing my URL. It move by only URL to URL. So in which will be implement my app.js only these things. So it will be not mm, large thing will be explain it. So move to my next thing. So in which will be first my ss in ss my ss folder, in which will be implement my all photos, in which will be used to its icons, to memes. So all these things, sign up form and all tech news, my uh, logo, all these things are implemented in which my assets folder. And authentication in which will be implement my sign up form and sign in form, and also it gives it's a different folders, sign in form different folder and sign up form different folder. In sign in form, it's modulo.css will be take and jsx file in which will be implement my all this import my important files, and it's modulo css and navigation and links, router dom, and styling the form. But then we'll be exporting my function, the sign in form, in which we take the my data, set data, users, use state, email, password. It will be means the this whole navigation and login, it's login event handling function and password, email, user, and in which will be returning all the my and then will be move my the any email login button, so it will be give my email id, password, and check in and login and sign up, and at last will be footer we takes the sign up form, and then user is not sign up, so it will be click in this sign up form, sign up link, and then it will be move the sign up form, means then it will be click on this, so it will be move at the sign up form. So in this sign-in form, only these things you will be taken, which means when my user is user is want to the like, share, anything will be to the post related things, means it will be it like means it want to the share the any post of by techispot. So first it will be sign up, and then it will be it's able to the to like, share, and comment. Otherwise it will be not able to the like, share, and comment in my at any post. So in which will we take only this login form. So alert, I will also take the alert buttons in when my user is password is incorrect, so it will be given the pop-up message also, and in which will be take all images in sign up form. So in these things we will take only this, we will remove my sign up form, and all the folders are connected to each other. It will be not different to each other, it will be interact, it will be connected to each other, all the folders. So in which will be in sign up form it will be same like a login button, in which implement my all router dom, outer dom, and sign up, css, and use state and user, and when and then will be my user is sign up, so it will be saved in my local storage, because in which will be it local storage will be store my all sign up users, because the in which will be not implement any backend will be used, because the backend take the time in which will be implemented, and it will be give the pop-up message also, then it will be stored. So in which will be use my username, date of birth, phone number, email, password, and confirm password. And other teams also work on these things, means my user password is too strong, and it will be give the itself password strong, itself give the password what the user to take the strong to how to take a strong password, it will be given. And in which will we take the function handling changes and target id and target value, means my event handling takes the my then my data then my user is in is correct, so it will be stored in my local storage, and so all these things I use handle it, check in these things. So and function handling and email id, password, data, let's see all these same in these things. We will be same like a login button, login form, in which we implement also sign in form. Then it will be already sign up, so it will be continue with its signing form. Then it will be click in sign in form, so it will be move its sign in form. So in which we take its button and even handling its placeholder, we will take the confirm password will be right in her, and password is will be means these lines will be take this to take the pattern of the means my password to take a strong. These lines confirm this my password is already to take a strong password, not any 1 2 3 these types passwords in which will be use it. It will be not work like it in this my website. So in this sign in and sign up form are all clear, and then my component in which will take the nav bar. My navigation in will top I will take in which in top of my home techispot memes all these things will on, and I will talk about my sign in forms. Then I will click my all want to sign up, so it will click and it will move to the my sign up form, and then it will be click and sign in, so it move the sign in form. I will already discuss in this. And then now we move to take about my talk about my navigation bar, so in which will be take all my images to navigation by the assets folder, and then we'll be exporting my navigation to bold, and radius will be given in which, and then will be take the my take and home news and memes and notes for component, all these things attached will be each other. Then it will be click the home, it move to the redirect only the home page, and so for on all these things. And sign up form also will be take also these things, then will be my user is sign up, so it will be move the it will be means automatically move at the my home page. In sign up form also these things will be attached in which, and then will also navigation bar will be take the these things like link all already will be linked attached with in inter itself. And then we'll be taking which will slider bar means my all the community session like say slider bars. So all these things we will take in which, so slide bar and its modulo will be take on which slide modulo will be take the community session. In community session will be take all the handle modulo output session, and but this is the incomplete model because it will be work any team in which my slider bar, so it will be incompleted by it will be only render it will be show like these things means it will be front end members and 2K 4K members and DevOps. It will be only will be added CSS and hardcore file will be attached in which its team is work on these things. When team is work when work is finished, we will once again make this video. So in which will be only take these things community session, add community and label community name input, and a new community name and the on change handling. Then it will be change the community session, set news community name, and it will be take the buttons on change, and in which will be take these things only and also implement all login to save the new community session. New community session will be login in which, see, then will be click my plus to add the community session, so it will be give this add community session, and in at placeholder will be render the community name and all these things. And also team is work on these things, it will be only save this thing, but it will be not show any my slider, it not show at my slider. Team is working on this thing continuing. So we'll need next will be taken which my errors handles. Error things means my all then my page is not working like that, so it will be catch the error means in navbar means my all these thing I'll see that. I think today's team will work on this thing, so no, it will be, I think it will be work is completed on this thing. So it will be then my page is not this page is not means answering like and not show anything, so it will be give the error thing and give the error 404 page not found. It will means it this page is not not be able. Mm. So sorry page and looking for the mic under the construction or does not existing, means the my page is not exist here, so it will be give the error 404. And it will be give its css all simple things all in which will color the red. And now we move, it's my home page. In community session we will be take all these communities like which type community we will be take in which in community image and style information and group prop and group name and or group members. All these things will be taken which my I will talk about like this thing, this how much member 1.5k members in which, and community name is front end and its image it uh, will be show that in which. So in these things, communication like only this, and all community data is come from these things. Means this front end image will be implement in which, and members 1.5k and name is front end, and in which will implement to will be use the prop. Group segments group dot members will be use the group section group and its indexes. Well, means group means what the name of this, and index means what is the work of, means what the name and what they work on it. In community session only these things will be implement in which it is too long project by my all class team, and this is very difficult to answer the only one time. So in which we'll talk about post. And so it will be my post, my comments. It will be comment session will be take import my React component and export function comment session and text area name ID and column row will be taken which comment session and emoji picker we will take emoji box. Emoji picker dot jsx in which will we take the style emoji style emoji box and the no selection emoji and emoji picker components, and in which will be take name like these things in which means community session post and post upload and means. So comment means my all comments are rendered in which like these things it show like that. Anybody in which will be comment in which thing, and emoji picker also, and emoji picker take in which, and the post.jx my all post are seen like by this file. So in which we take all post user and user details all in which my data all post button handle all the activities user want to perform on the public post like share post comment and on the post, and when the user to create the post check the create new post section. It will be means it will be show the post of the all the things means how what they will be show my post and post session what can will want to the post, and in will be text area of what are you doing means it is the top heading in which will be implemented, means create a new post, what's going on, and in these things. And whenever user directly click on the emoji button or the click on the emoji button when the inside of the create post session to open the emoji tray and emoji picker component on select when user want to the upload the something with their post, means it want to the post another things to implement the new post, all these things will be implemented that things, anything will be want to the implement in which way in it also facility to means implement the photos, anything, so it implement like that, so it will be posting these things. But my post button is not working because these teams also working on these things, different teams they work on this project in space specific thing we talk about on overall means 20 teams are work on this project, and all team have it's five members all in which team. So in these things, we also take the following button and follow button. Then will be click the my follow. It will be move like change the my follow, and its color is also changing. I will follow. It's following means and its color will be changed. Unfollow, so it will be followed only. So and user profile data and profile, user profile and username, all these things in which will be show means it will be move directly move to the user profile it and show it's the details. New post creation we will be talk about user post creation, and also we talk about the all the data store in my local storage. We in what then what I when watch my data is sign up form post anything. So set post, new post and console.log post data after the pushing new post and post data. And local storage I will implement also set images and post images we will be also talk about in which this is my only the hardcore project, hardcore things. Then my backend is coming, and then all these things are removed in which, and all the data is we will be fetching from the my backend, and then it will be show the my front pages. So in port session, we'll talk about all these things, module CSS and post buttons. Post button is it will be simple look like similar to the post, and usually use the modulo and animation heart and user look means my all animation, then my click on my heart button it will be increasing the uh, easily counting the my hearts liking, and which will be implement to share my all images, then my to share the anything anybody to my post, so it will be show the number of uh, apps in which will be share it this post. So things email, WhatsApp, Facebook login, X, Reddit, Telegram, and Pinterest, and copy the link also. So it will be not also working. Team is working on this thing. So in which will be all these things will be use state check to whether the button check and the use state will to store the URL page and post the features, and the use state hook will be take to the email copy function reliability, and use state to store the current amount of the slider scrolling of the score social icon in the share selection, and use hook to refer, which will be give the direction access to the container DOM and element, and contains the reference used to refer, and will be use effect to store the my username, and when my user is not equal to user, to it will be give the null, and in event handling toggle the all these things, toggle it in which, and then the count the like I will talk about, then my click my one by one, so it will be count the my buttons on number of counts in which will be, and otherwise it will give the my pop-up message please login when my user is not login, so it will give the pop-up message please login the first, and then will be you will able to the like the post, and then feature to add the handle community clicks and stop propagation and login and comment post and please login to comment, means all these things will be taken which comment session, and then community handle all the comments, and share previous data and windows local records, and handle the scrolling the social icons, and share sessions and updating the scrolling post scrolling amount, and initializing zero, and to flow, we will take to the to using the variable containing refers, which store the direct to refer to container of social icon to make of the scrolling properties, and all these things will take in which mag dot scroll we will discuss about in which, and all these things, and return which will be all these things will be written also to toggle button, and community buttons post, and uh, slide header titles, and all these things, and profile images, and its profile images also will be showing it, and local storage get username entity, and the class name style, add the comments, and set the new comment, handle comments post, all the posts will be handled by these things, and use button, and share stop propagation, and share the containers, and handle things, and checking the user button inside the postcard, and sharing the box heading, and in which will be header to sharing will actually post to another app, and using to scroll event listener to dynamically change to current scroll amount, and in simple term to authentically and adjust to the scrolling amount if user scroll will the mouse on is and not by using the left and right button given in the sharing session. So scrolling amount in which take in which these things, and using to React sharing library to get the icons and their uh, respectively webrise components, and which will be email share buttons and Facebook, all the email links will be added in which contain copy sessions, and at the footer also I will move and talk about its means it's sharing its copy button also taken which, and then will be click on the comment section, so it will be show the comments and flag these things. Share button is work on another team, it will be continue working. So means it will in this at this project most of the teams are working on continuously, and working to mm, means to able to use worldwide will be hosting this is the project, and uploading all post JXX all post are, and then which will given the all post border center and images, and images will be dropped the image video or click on the select one, and where will be given all the images will be to video src and files, all which will be stored in which. In my post session I will also discuss about the my video session. See the one second. These videos handled by these things. These videos are showing this thing. These lines take the all these videos are handled by in this thing. So post work is complete, and now the team. So teamwork is handled by another team, and it will be implement the all teams, and style its CSS and its team card. All teams means all team details are stored in any card, and it will be this import this card in this file, and then image team name h1 heading, and then its card details, and then the team cards JSX, in which will be implement all the teammates pictures and its LinkedIn profile link, and its a GitHub link also connected to each other, in which this teamwork session implement its LinkedIn also connected to each other, and its GitHub also connected to it. So most of the peoples are contributing the project. So this file is handle these things only, and implement its CSS in which. And then now we move to the home session. So it will be home session will be implement my home about post team, and means all type posts are able to show that home page, and different posts are different things show. Tech news post at trended this thing, and tech memes show at this thing, and take projects are shown that take projects file, take projects folder. So all these things will be taken which, and teamworks I will explain it. So home is completed, now memes. We talk about some more memes, and memes section will be take also emoji comments JSX, and all the buttons will be taken which to, then the comment like session all the copied copied by its home page. So I will also say that in which will be taking a router. Router means it will be show only the this particular post which will be we want, and in where to this project will be uh, to show like that mm, any things means uh, able to show anything, and it will be not consuming most of the data, and storing them. I will also explain it. All data is stored in its local storage. So and my local storage data to deleted. So we move to the its inspection, and inspection will move to the its storage, and then and this particular line which will be deleted, this storage data will be deleted. So then with its data, it's all data it will be cleared. Then backend is come, so these things will be not be able to will and which will be uses. And at comment section, I will also explain it. It's come from the home page. Meme section, tech memes, similar to its front page, home page, in which we take these things. It not working also. Add categories also, in which will be now it's upload photos and meme sessions and slider bar similar to its post means its home session. So and it's similar to its slide bar means its news session. Tech news. It's similar in which we implement these videos and it's all slide blah blah, so sidebars or this and breaking news at the top heading and the session, all these things, all videos, comment section, like and post similar to the home page. Which only the save button is not working, in which another team is working on this thing. So now news bar is now news.js, all these things will be same to the home page. Post.jsx, this is the hardcore files in which, and then my only to see the my project, what how can I look this my project. It will be my whole hardcore files only handle these things. Then backend is come soon, so these things also are removed in which. And then also then when then people is only sign up this project, so only these files are these profile and these posts are it will be shown. And navigation is saying, and project mentors and all the mentor counts and modulo teams and team name and tag card and modulo method cards, in which we take in which mentor card, in these things will be take implement in which and its modulo. So the mentor card means all the projects mentor cards, mentor supports by this, and it's booking to the all mentors to work on these engineers to build these things projects. So in which same these things, it's booking thing is booking time, booking, and its button is not also working. Teamwork is continues working on it this, and now booking button is also in which writer in button form. And project in project session when you notes notebook JSX and modulo not JSX, same these things in which implemented notes, all these things. It's a hardcore files in which will be all the first are to means read these all five projects related things will be read like in which, and not space these things in paragraph in which will write her and its modulo only this. And project name bar in these things are this slide react project. No, its navigation also always is banner and lever, its slider work and its level and its advanced level means all these things in which will implement its slider. Most of the things in which we implement this theme teams. See, this is the error page I will talk about in this previous. Then my page is not found. It will be show the error message. It will be in the error folder. This is This is the error folder, and that will be show the error. Then my page is not found. So in the project, never all these things in which, and all are connected to each other. All these things are completed. Something completed the project. Also, most of the things are incomplete in this project and store. Each team is work on these things, and this is the my folder user. My team is work on this user profile. Means it will be show the user profile, then it will be login in which. So in which will implement my all the import style and the importing all data, user data. Then my data is come from the means it will be first of all this data it will be showing things. When my data is come from the this authorized authentication sign up form, this sign up form, then my data is come from this sign up form, then user is logging sign up the then the user is sign up, so the my data is fetching by this my user data dot js, and this then the my data is come from this user data, it will be featured by the my profile dot jsx, it move to the my this folder file, and then it will be display my user all data, its name and its email. I will show like that things. See, this is things. Then the people is sign up, so it will be its name render it and its email in which, and its edit button, its work on different team, and in which will be implement its post for follower and following. So they my team work on this thing, and also say similar things will be implement in which it's continuous, we will be working on these things to display the better to look in which, and all these things will be complete in which will, so in which will not on anything, all things I will cover it in which. So all communication teamwork are completed, and user things individually you also these things are means these lines are working like its banner, and these lines are working on its means its profile photo, and then we user style name and its banner background will be working in these things ms3, and its for css will be also implement in which. So in these things we will implementing like these things. So overall my project is complete. So I think it will be right path to the engineering field to the show the my resumes, and also new projects will be complete in my in which my class I will show in my this YouTube channel. So please subscribe. And I will also explain the most of the things in which this video. The backend is coming soon, and then the backend is commit. So the my projects is all most of the things are will be removed in which, because most of the my data is stored in my local storage. So in this project we will be implement like these things. If you any doubt in this my project, so we will be write in my comment section. So bye guys, and have a nice day.